In this video, you're going to learn how to increase your psychic awareness, increase your creativity, all without having to do any spiritual meditations. How are you going to do this? Automatically become more psychic, more creative, more aware with this simple trick. What is the trick? Every day you do several tasks with your non-dominant hand. Now for me, that's my left hand, but it might be something else for you. Why is this so important? Because when you do things with your non-dominant hand, it activates the right side of the brain. It's like it's hardwired, and it actually can cause new neural pathways that cross between the corpus callosum from the right side to the left side. What's a corpus callosum? It's that thick bundle of nerves running right through the middle. It looks kind of like a butt when you look at it, right? And it connects both hemispheres of the brain. So do something every day. I would spend a whole day trying to use just your non-dominant hand. Don't put on eyeliner or mascara with your non-dominant hand. You're going to be surprised. I learned this from my teacher, Dr. Lucia Capicchione, who's written about 12 books on the topic, including The Power of the Other Hand. However, firsthand experience, I had a friend who had a son who was so shy. He would hang his head. He never had any friends. He was very withdrawn, almost hermit-like. Sweet boy, but just didn't have any self-confidence. Then he broke his right hand and arm, and he was in a cast. He couldn't use his dominant hand, so he had to do everything with the other hand. Within 6 weeks, I think that's how long it took, I went to visit her, and I couldn't believe it was the same kid. He was smiling, laughing, came out and hugged me, had friends over. She said, I don't know what happened to my son, but when he broke his arm, he became a different person. Little did she know, it's because he activated this law of using the non-dominant hand. You know, in England, they even call it wrong hand therapy. You'll be hearing a lot more about this and other energy healing tips that work. So subscribe, like, share this video. And if you want more energy healing tips, head on over to my blog. I'll put the link below. Leave your comment in the comment section, especially if you'd like to know more about any of the energy healing topics that work.